Finding the courage to change. Clarity of purpose. 12-step groups use our 12 traditions to learn the skills that we need to function successfully in groups. Tradition 5 provides us with clarity of purpose. The purpose of our group is to help those who still suffer. We heal ourselves by working the steps. We focus on encouraging and understanding our family members, and we welcome and offer comfort to our fellow travelers who have come to our group looking for help. I can bring this same clarity of purpose to my home, extended family, and community. I can practice the steps. I can encourage and understand others. I can welcome and comfort those who ask for it. There's a lot of unconditional love embodied in Tradition 5. There's not one word about judging or criticizing. There's nothing about managing, directing, or fixing. There's not even any mention of supporting or helping. Each member of my group is always allowed to make their own choices. I never have to accept abuse from others. I'm free to set boundaries and limit my exposure to unhealthy people. But I can also learn to love myself and others, even while recognizing our unhealthy patterns. We're all in this together. I can be encouraging and understanding even when I set a boundary. I can be warm and welcoming without trying to control or fix another. For me, it's about allowing my unconditional love to shine forth. That love is always there, and I can learn to give it freely to myself, my family, and my community.